got that toy, you can feel jealous too, right? Everybody feels all those feelings, right? You said everything we talked about in this book, you have felt, right? At some point. So today, we're going to make an ornament. I want you to think of a person that's really important to you. Can you tell me a person that's really important to you? How does that make you feel when you're playing that trampoline? Happy. I'm going to put happy in. What color is happy? What color is happy? That's the smile. Yep, I see it. Is it red?